6 foods that will help you to cure any disease and strengthen the body. Number 1, spirulina. The ancients speak about this. It comes in the top 3 mucus removal out of the body, because there is only one disease, and that is mucus clogging all your organs. Number 2, noni. I place the noni fruit in a jar, allow it to drain, and I put some in my blend every day. It's antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, and antimicrobial, and also anti-inflammatory. Third, you have spirulina, which is a moss. This moss is known for Asians. It comes in the top 1 mucus remover. It also vitalizes the body, gives strength to eye, and it's loaded and packed with minerals and vitamins. Number 4, this is the root of Guinean weed that I used to make tea every single day. Antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, antimicrobial. It's all anti, no uncle. Number 5, sea moss. Out of the 102 minerals, it has 92 minerals. You don't want to miss this. Your body does not need protein. It is made up of minerals. Yes, your body is a mineral structure, straight from the coral reef. Number 5, Brazilian nut, especially for my men. High in potassium, high in zinc, and also it's a cleanser for the body. Do your research. And last but not least, number 6, this is the merengue. We call it moringa leaf, and I powder it. Yes, this heal brain tumor, antiviral, antifungal. It also anti-HIV. This remove brain tumors in Africa. Do your research. Yo, 6 plants that can heal all your sicknesses. I just gave you the secret. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.